Ever feel like your business and personal finances are all tangled up?
Yeah.
It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack.
Right.
Just a big mess.
Exactly.
Well, in this deep dive, we're going to untangle that mess.
Okay.
We're diving into the separate entity accounting principle. It's a game changer, honestly.
It is.
So what exactly is this principle all about?
Well, the separate entity accounting principle basically says that your business finances and your personal finances, totally different things, like completely separate. They should be treated as separate entities.
So my business is like its own person, financially speaking?
Exactly.
Okay, I kind of like that. It's like my business has its own wallet.
Yeah, its own bank account.
And we're not sharing.
No dipping into the business account for a little personal shopping spree.
Or using my personal credit card to cover business expenses.
Right. That's a big no-no.
Okay, so I get the basic idea, but why is this so important? Why should our listeners care about this?
Well, for a couple of reasons. First of all, it helps you accurately track your business's performance.
Okay, so I can actually see if I'm making a profit.
Exactly. Because if your personal and business expenses are all mixed up, it's really hard to see what's what.
And then come tax time, things could get a little complicated.
It's a nightmare for the tax authorities.
And probably for me too, trying to explain everything.
Exactly. Imagine trying to explain to the IRS that your trip to Hawaii was a business expense.
Yeah, not going to fly.
Nope. The separate entity principle keeps everything nice and organized so you can avoid any of those awkward conversations with the tax man.
So we're talking about like peace of mind, right?
Definitely. And credibility too.
Okay. How so?
Well, imagine you're trying to get a loan for your business or attract investors.
Yeah.
They're going to want to see that you have a clear understanding of your financials.
That makes sense.
If you're mixing your personal and business funds, it's a red flag.
Makes you look unprofessional.
Exactly. But when you follow the separate entity principle, it shows that you're serious.
It shows that you're organized.
Right. That you're transparent and responsible.
Builds trust.
Yeah. It's like building a solid foundation for your business.
Okay. So let's say someone's listening to this and they're thinking, all right, I'm convinced I need to implement this principle, but how? Where do they even start?
Well, the first step is to open a separate bank account for your business.
Got it. Separate bank account. Anything else?
You bet. Set up a solid bookkeeping system.
Okay, so we're talking software or maybe just a really organized spreadsheet.
Exactly. Whatever works best for you.
But I have to track everything.
Track every single penny that comes in and goes out.
So no more, I'll just put this on my personal card for now and sort it out later.
Oh, that's a recipe for disaster.
Yeah.
It's like trying to put together a puzzle where all the pieces are the same color.
Yeah. Good luck with that.
You're going to be spending hours, days, weeks maybe, just trying to untangle that mess.
And that's time I could be spending growing my business.
Precisely.
So to wrap things up, the separate entity principle isn't just some boring accounting rule, right?
Oh, absolutely not. It's a superpower for business owners.
It's like giving your business the best chance to thrive.
Exactly. It helps you make smarter decisions.
Manage your money better.
And ultimately achieve greater success.
Now, here's something to think about. Imagine you could hop in a time machine, go back to the beginning of your business journey, and give yourself one piece of financial advice.
Okay.
What would it be?
Mm-hmm.
And how might applying the separate entity principle right from the start have shaped the path your business took?